Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you were using Wix site in 2026 for a while now, you were trying to build your own website and every other thing, but for now you want to actually duplicate your Wix site. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you how to actually copy one of your websites fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet and go look for Wix.com. Tap on Wix.com, they're gonna take you to this platform where you should log in using your email address and password so you can access the Wix dashboard. So as you see here, we have many other options. Connect a custom whatsoever, a lot. We also have these site actions, this three-dot menu. All you're gonna do now is tap on duplicate website. And basically that's it. You have to wait a couple seconds or minutes depending on your Wi-Fi network and this will be done. You can give it a new name. Just basically name the new site with something different so you can actually know. So for more information, your full copy will be created instantly. As I told you, it's just a couple seconds or minutes, so don't really worry about it. If you want also to design it, you will see this option to put design site. Just tap it, it will take you to this Wix website editor where you will be able to edit both of basically the main version and the second one. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.